how to screenshot on Android. So if you want to screenshot on Android, then what you can do is, if you don't know how to screenshot on Android, then you can open up your settings. It might be different on different Android phones, right? So you need to simply open up your settings. Once you open your settings, you need to scroll down, and here you will have your shortcuts and accessibility. Tap on that, and it will take you to the S capture, which is screenshot, and you can scroll down, and here you will have your settings, right? So if you simply tap on the S capture, you will have this kind of interface where it says swipe down with 3 fingers to take a quick screenshot, or you can also press and hold the power button and the volume button, or the volume down button. Simply press and hold the power button and volume down button to take a quick screenshot. So there are 2 ways in my Android phone, so it might be different in your Android. So you can simply visit this, and once you visit it, you can use your screenshot. So I'll just show you. If I press and hold the power button and the volume down button, then it will take the screenshot, right? And if I swipe my 3 fingers to the bottom, then it will also take a screenshot. So that's how you can screenshot on Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.